cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The MAKITA built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The MAKITA multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with star protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.